Hey, what's up, Tron holder? So in this video we completely discuss about the Tron price in 2022, my brother. Can they will reach our target or not? You also tell us in a comment box. This will be very important, and absolutely, my brother, I also share my opinion to sell, hold or buy. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. If you subscribe our YouTube channel, ABST channel will give you guarantee to you never loss. So kindly click the red button, my brother. This time the Tron price is 0.06 USD dollar. Remember this price target, absolutely very important, my friends, to be predicate this coin. So the price is very important to 0.06 USD dollar. So last 1 year chart is on the screen. I already opened it. You can see, my brother, and this chart is completely, my brother, show you to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will make you millionaire or not, my brother. So you can see, my brother, especially in last 3 months this coin is starting wake up and they will go up. So my brother, otherwise, my brother, you can see in last year they cannot take a very huge jump now. So my brother, Tron is one of the stable coin, and when they take a jump, then absolutely they will crush all the record. They will make a new record, my friend, in a capital market. So this time you can see here they also take a very huge jump now, and the price hit, my friend, 0.15 USD dollar here now. So 0.18, I think something near now, my brother. So it is possible, my brothers, to if holder or hold it, then exactly, my friend, the price will also increase now very fastly. But after this jump, my friend, they fails down, and after a jump they fails. You can see every card because is moving in this circulation. But exactly, my friend, after this fail, I'm 100% sure they will take a very huge jump now, and they will give you a very good profit now. So if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly Tron is one of the good coin, and I think this will be very good, my friend, for long term investors. So if you invest for a long time, and if you have any plan to invest for a long time, then definitely, my friends, go now invest in Tron. I hope, my brother, in coming time they will give you a very good profit now, and they will reach, my brother, just in only, my brother, 1 USD dollar. So it is our target, my friend, in 2022. I hope they will hit 10 USD dollar. But my friends, you need to hold it. You need to hold it. You don't sell it, please. I hope, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.